But look at that view already. This is an old quarry. The cave's that way.
Escalamma carinna shuaba Shurinna kalamma kanichta Antica Badabaraba
That's not easy.
Ki anta Badasuraba
And then we have this to cross. This is the third lake we have to cross. Alright guys, we made it to the end of the cave. There's nothing really here. But the air's too thin in here, we can hardly breathe. This is really soft soil. I mean, they filmed Game of Thrones in this cave, and they left that. Which is just like a furnace thing. Like a brazier almost. I know if I jump that, I'm gonna fall. Show me it. That. I don't know, tilt it towards the camera. That's cool. Yeah, this is where he was hiding out. In someone in Game of Thrones.
Oh, it caught me.
Where?
It was right above me. Ow! And the song was like...